What's going on, everybody? My name is Chris Powell. We're here at Eastside Auto Spa today. We're going to be doing some dry ice blasting with our XL6 provided by Jet. Today we're working on a Ferrari 360. Historically, this would have been done by hand with brushes, light chemical cleaners, steam cleaners, high pressure steamers. But with the XL6 from Jet, we're able to save a lot of time and energy. We're going to be able to clean the electronics a lot better, the hoses a lot better, all the brittle plastics, things that have aged over the years and become a little bit more risky to clean with these pressure washers and steamers. You know, you're not going to be able to take the pressure washer and jam it down into this little crack here and spray out, whereas I can take that Jet and I can get way back in there. It's got a little bit of a longer nozzle and I'm able to spray out areas with it that you wouldn't be able to get with a pressure washer. With the Jet, we're able to give the customer a better peace of mind overall that they're going to be getting a safe service. They don't have to worry about that. So the XL6 from Jet really allows us to preserve the factory markings on these cars that otherwise would be lost forever. I mean, not only are they expensive, but they're a collector's item, becoming more and more sought after in the communities. So we want to really take the time and the effort to make sure that we're keeping as much of that intact and preserving that history of the vehicle. So I'm feeling pretty good about the engine bay compartment. We've got a lot of the surface areas on the top cleaned up. We're gonna get the guys together, we're gonna get this car in the air, we'll disassemble the belly pan, and then we'll see what we're looking at on the underside. So we're gonna get started on cleaning the wheel well, suspension, brake calipers, basically everything within the wheel well itself. I'm gonna be able to stand back here basically. I'm gonna be able to shoot further than I'd be able to ever get a brush. Cleaning in the brakes, I mean, around these little caps and stuff, you're not gonna have to worry about destroying the rubbers, you're not gonna have to worry about destroying the seals. These control arm pieces generally would require a really heavy cleaner like acid of some sort to break down these, these deposits, but with the Jet XL6, we're gonna be able to do all of that without worry of harsh chemicals or getting any in your eyes, the smells. I mean, it's all of it, adds up at the end of the day. We got it up in the air. We're just gonna clean up a lot of old oil, grease, grit, grime that, it's collected over the years. I mean, short of a mechanic being under here, not a lot of people see this, but as this becomes more of a collector's car, people are gonna wanna see these things. They're gonna wanna have pictures and know the history of the vehicle and how well it was taken care of. And it's gonna determine its value at the end of the day. And we're just trying to help people protect their investments and keep them looking as good as they can be. Pretty happy with the results today. Everything's come out exactly as planned. We knew the dry ice blasting was gonna take away years of buildup and a lot of grit and grime that we wanted to get rid of. Big thank you to Jet for making our jobs easier, providing such an awesome machine to us. If you guys want to continue to follow us, check us out on social media. For any of your detailing needs, feel free to call us or reach out to us in any way. We're always here to help.